Just a quick video on how to insert text into an arrow in Microsoft Word. So first thing, to draw our arrow, we go up to Insert and we want to insert shapes. We have some options here. The block arrows, those are usually best for inserting text on top of your arrow. So let's just choose this here, and then we can draw our arrow. Once we draw it, we just start typing, and the text goes right on the arrow. This text can be formatted like any text. So we can make this larger, change the font, or even change the color if we want to do that. And that's it. That's how you insert text into a Microsoft Word document. Note too, you can move this arrow around on the page and you can change its orientation, the way it's pointing, by just clicking up here and then turning. So if you want it to go straight up, you can do that. You can make it smaller, although that can affect your text, but you can always go back and change the font size. This is Dr. B showing you how to insert some text over an arrow in Microsoft Word. And in this video, I used Word 360, but this should work for other versions of Word. Thanks for watching.